In your article, you talk about how AI companies often position themselves around features rather than outcomes. Can you share an example of a company that has nailed outcome-based position, and what can other AI products learn from them?
Let's start somewhere else. There is like this trend that people are positioning AI products as humanoids, right? So humanoid meaning like as if they would be people. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing this word terribly. And I don't think you have to. So in the beginning, like if it makes sense, if it is like a personal assistant, like agent, that's cool. But just like with one of my teams, so they are developing these technologies how to do AI voice calling, right? And we were testing like different type of agents and just like positioning it based on very narrow use case versus a platform. As we discovered that the audience that this is like completely early adopter innovators, we are more like leaning towards the positioning as a platform now. So DIY, build your own voice agents versus just like going and saying, "Hi, this is Sarah, your new digital receptionist." So I don't think that there is like a single best way how to position this. You always position it for the audience against the competitive alternatives. Now that this is off the table, what I absolutely love about anybody who would like save me time or money is again the proof.